Hi, Dan Clark in beautiful Bay Indies, 70-degree day. What are you doing up north, folks? Come down here and join us at the beach. Don't know why you're living up there. I did it for many years coming down from Bar Harbor, Maine. I left it in the rearview mirror. You should too. 969 Kenoma on the east side. Got a nice home here for you. Got newer flooring, newer AC, partially furnished. It's 24 by 48, so it's a good sized home. We're starting out here in the lanai. It looks like we got nice tile planking here on this outdoor lanai, side lanai out here. Sliding glass door that comes out here. Very, very minimal damage in the hurricane. They lost a screen here on the back side. One of the vinyl windows, that's about it. And that's about it. This is the north side of the house. That's where the wind comes. But nice side lanai that looks out here over to the front. Gives you another outdoor living. It's got the side-to-side windows that can slide open with screens. Looks towards the front. The front of this house is gorgeous. They got stone, and I call this the three palm houses. It's got three beautiful, gorgeous palms out in the front yard. Let's go inside and show you the inside. Come in through this door. We come into a big living room. They've got the nice awnings out front here. Again, partially furnished here. Some furniture staying. We'll have a furniture sheet. You can give me a call. We can show you all that. The disclosure sheet. AC is only a year old. They got brand new AC ducts in this as well. They've been here for 3 years. Changed of jobs, so they're moving back further south of here even. So nice flooring here that goes throughout the rest of this house. Nice flooring here either. It looks like vinyl planking or laminate, one or the other. I'm not sure. It looks like kind of vinyl to me. Walls have been painted. They've done a little wallpaper stucco thing here. It gives you a little texture. Got the faux brick wall over there. The divider between your living room and your kitchen area. Ceiling fans. Light bright area. You got these 4 beautiful windows out here that look out towards Kenoma itself. Come around the corner. We're in the dining room. And we've got a built-in that they've redone a little bit, so you've got some extra storage here with 4 cabinets down below, and they use this as a desk area as well here. So got the faux brick over here on this side as well. So we're going to come around the corner. We've got an angled galley kitchen. You come in, we've got an angled galley kitchen here. Got the sink cabinets up above, ceramic cooktop over here, microwave here. Got a nice big cabinet area there for your pots and pans up above as well. I like the dinner choices. Take it or leave it. Sounds like my home. Got a dishwasher, refrigerator here as well. Again, nice workable kitchen. It's galley, but it's angled. Got a nice door that comes in from the side, from your carport. Plenty of parking out there. Got a shed. Got some nice storage in here as well. Got the louvered cabinet doors there as well. So again, flooring goes throughout the whole house. Let's make our way down the hall again. I guess that's wallpaper there. It's got texture to it, but it's very nice. The high-end stuff, it looks good. We've got double closets here, broom closets, vacuums, whatever you'd like to put in there. Just extra storage as you come down the hall. We've got the guest bathroom here on this side. We've got a combo tub and shower with glass doors here. Newer back that's been done around there as well. Same flooring, painted light gray with a mirror with the newer lights up above. Got the fan up above here as well. Put this is new in here as well. A little bit of a linen closet here. Across the hall is the guest bedroom. This is a work in progress here as they are preparing to move. So they've started some of the moving. Hey, they got to move out before you can move in, folks. Double closets here, ceiling fan. Bank of drawers is built in. Another built-in cabinet here. It's a good-sized bedroom. Again, same flooring throughout. Painted light gray. Window with a crank-out jalousie windows there. Window there, I should say, not windows. We'll make our way down the hall to the master suite. Behind the door, we've got a double closet here. And we have another closet over there, but a good size. Obviously, we got the king-size bed here. Ceiling fan painted up. Actually, this is wallpaper. It's the same wallpaper, and it's very nicely done. Same floor again. I don't find any soft spots. Good flooring all through. Ceilings have been painted. TVs will be staying here as well. Plenty of room off to the side. In here, we've got the dressing area. We've got our sink out here. The one spot, and I'll point this out, that's where the one leak that was in the hurricane, but the roof is checked out. We can get you a home inspection. We always encourage home inspections. You can get a home inspection done for $95. That's roof, electric, hot water heater, the plumbing, the AC, and we'll get the vapor barrier checked, which is your big ticket items. In here, we've got the shower and the commode in here. Got double cabinets up above there as well. Walk-in shower. And then we've got the second big closet here as well. Lots of space in here. And the electrical panel is a good electrical panel. I believe it's a square D panel, no issues there. And again, AC is only a year old and the ductwork. So nice king-size bed, master suite. Nice home here at 969 Kenoma in Bay Indies. Hey, the pools are heated, folks. We got a little bit of chilly weather coming for Christmas, but good time of year to have it. The pools are heated to 80 degrees, 82 degrees, all three of them. So come on down, take a swim with us. My Florida Dreams, Dan Clark. I'm the owner. Give me a call, 207-807-7537.